Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active Gamma account and the PowerPoint file you want to improve. Sign in, then import your PPTX or drag images and notes into Gamma. This is faster than rebuilding slides. Once uploaded, choose the slide size, such as 16:9, and pick a theme that matches your brand. Make sure to enable export permissions for Microsoft if prompted. This prevents later permissions errors. Now you're ready to transform a static deck into smart, editable slides. Next, focus on the middle work, refine and structure content. Use Gamma's AI to summarize long text and generate concise headlines, then accept edits selectively. Once done, rearrange slides with drag and drop. Make layout tweaks using grid and align so elements snap cleanly. Add charts by pasting numeric data. Gamma creates editable visuals. Also, set animation timing for transitions and use the preview player to check flow. Make sure to lock brand fonts and colors so changes stay consistent across the deck. Finish by exporting and validating the deck. Export as PPTX to retain editability or share a live Gamma link for collaborative viewing. Then perform a detailed review. Check font embedding, test on the actual screen resolution, and rehearse timing so transitions feel natural. If you find layout glitches after export, don't panic. Re-import the original PPTX into Gamma and use version history to restore an earlier state, or rebuild just the affected slides locally. This troubleshooting step resolves most formatting surprises quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.